Hey there, gadget enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting video lined up for you as we count down the top 15 best cool gadgets on Aliexpress. All the links to the gadgets are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest gadgets experience. So let's get started. Do you ever struggle with cutting and slicing vegetables? It can be time-consuming, tedious, and even dangerous. But what if we told you there's an easier way? Introducing the manual vegetable cutter slicer, the must-have tool for every home cook. With its safe and humanized design, this slicer is easy to use and perfect for all your vegetable needs. Plus, with multiple blades included, you'll be able to slice and dice to your heart's content. The manual vegetable cutter slicer has a wide application and can be used in a variety of dishes. Say goodbye to the hassle of chopping vegetables and hello to easy and efficient meal prep. Introducing the Gyro washing machine filter, the ultimate solution for your laundry problems. With its floating hair filtering mesh removal and hair removal cleaning ball, the Gyro washing machine filter can easily pick up stray hairs and other debris that might clog your pipes. And with its stop material and superior cleaning ability, the filter is designed to last for years with minimal maintenance. But that's not all. This filter is also multifunctional, making it perfect for use not only in your washing machine, but also in your kitchen sink or bathtub. Get the best clean possible with the Gyro washing machine filter. Are you tired of unreliable flashlights that just don't cut it when you need them the most? Introducing the LED Rechargeable torchlight, the ultimate solution for all your lighting needs. With its exquisite design and convenient features, this high-lumen flashlight is perfect for any situation. It comes with 4 different lighting modes: low brightness, medium brightness, high brightness, and strobe, so you can adjust the intensity based on your needs. And with its IPX5 grade waterproof rating, you can use it in any weather condition without worrying about damage. It has a built-in 8,000 mAh large capacity lithium battery and a USB output port, which means it can also serve as a power bank to quickly and conveniently charge your other devices. Introducing the ultimate in luxurious dining, the luxury Cutlery Set 24 pieces. Its clean design and black gold color make it perfect to use for special occasions. This cutlery set is made from high-quality stainless steel, which means you can use it for a long time. And because it has a simple design, it will never go out of style. Your guests will be impressed when you bring out this cutlery set. It also makes a great gift for housewarming parties. Make sure to wash the set before you first use it. When it's time to clean up after your meal, simply put it in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. To keep it looking its best, rinse off any food immediately. Introducing the Twist and Mount Octopus Mini Fan, the ultimate solution to all your summer woes. This cooling fan is equipped with 3 long curved blades and features 360-degree rotation. You can rotate it to any angle. And with its portable twistable tripod, this octopus fan can be mounted on just about anything: a bicycle, a chair, a table, a hanging rack, or anything else you can think of. With its 3 speed modes, high, medium, and slow, you can easily adapt to your temperature requirements and stay free from sweat and relaxed in warm weather. This fan is powered by a quality battery system that's easily chargeable through a USB interface, so you can stay cool and comfortable wherever you go. Meet the Nightlight LED Moon Lamp, the perfect companion for your peaceful nights. The Moon Lamp's LED light source has a high color rendering index, providing you with an accurate representation of colors in your room. Its high luminous efficiency ensures maximum brightness while consuming minimal energy. Its simple yet beautiful round appearance is designed to blend in seamlessly with any decor style. The lamp's white color represents purity and adds a touch of elegance to any room. The warm light emitted by the lamp creates a comfortable environment that never hurts your eyes. Say goodbye to harsh, bright lights that disrupt your sleep cycle. The lamp's texture is perfect thanks to the high-quality silicone material used to craft it. The LED lamp beads are also of premium quality, ensuring high luminous efficiency with no flashing. This helps protect your eyes from harmful radiation. Do you need more space to store your toiletries and accessories? Then you need the aluminum corner shelf. This wall-mounted storage rack is perfect for maximizing your bathroom space. The layer spacing can be adjusted to fit your needs. The shelf's drain and hollow-out design make it waterproof and moisture-proof, ensuring that your items are always safe and dry. And with strong non-marking stickers, there's no need for drilling or complicated installation. The aluminum corner shelf is suitable for a variety of walls, making it easy to install in any bathroom. Installation is quick and easy. Simply peel off the sticker backing and press the shelf onto your desired location. No screws, no mess, just instant storage. And with its sleek and durable aluminum construction, the aluminum corner shelf will not only look great in your bathroom, but it will last for years to come. Say goodbye to a cluttered bathroom cower and hello to the aluminum corner shelf for bathroom. Introducing the Rechargeable Mixers Fresh Fruit Juicers, the ultimate solution for fresh juice anytime, anywhere. This powerful juicer is truly portable, allowing you to enjoy your favorite smoothies and juice wherever life takes you. With its rechargeable design, you can take it with you to work, school, or even on vacation. Using it is simple, just add your favorite ingredients, turn it on, and let this powerful juicer do all the work for you. In no time, you'll have a delicious and nutritious drink that's perfect for any time of day. And when it comes time to clean up, you'll love how easy it is to use the self-cleaning feature. Simply rinse with water and you're done. It's that easy. So why wait? Order your Rechargeable Mixers Fresh Fruit Juicer today and start enjoying delicious, nutritious juice anytime, anywhere. This device combines old and new technology for an amazing massage experience. The cupping massager has vibrating sticks and red light therapy, which can massage you better and more comfortably. It's also easy to carry and clean. You can choose from 3 different pressure modes and 3 vibration modes for a personalized massage. It's easy to use too. The red light therapy improves blood circulation, relieves pain and fatigue, and gives you a relaxing feeling. The smart vibrator keeps your skin safe during massage and prevents too much pressure. The device is small and portable with a battery that lasts a long time. You can use it anywhere and anytime by charging it with a USB cable. It makes a great gift for someone special. Get one today and enjoy a wonderful massage experience. Are you tired of struggling to clean stubborn stains? Well, we have great news for you. Introducing the all-purpose cleaning brush, the perfect solution to all your cleaning needs. This brush is designed to handle any cleaning task, making your life easier and your home cleaner than ever before. Whether you're scrubbing dishes or tackling tough stains in the kitchen or bathroom, this brush can do it all. With its tough bristles and comfortable grip, this cleaning brush makes cleaning a breeze. It's easy to use and gets the job done quickly and efficiently. By using this cleaning brush, you can give your home the glow up it deserves and create a safe and healthy environment for you and your family. Do you want a pretty fruit holder that's also practical? The fruit plate with wood holder is perfect for you. This holder is made of bamboo and wood, so it's strong and looks great in any room. There are multiple trays, so you can store all your favorite fruits, vegetables, and snacks in one place. You can use this holder for lots of different things, like parties or birthdays. It's really useful for weddings too. The ceramic plate is designed to hold all kinds of fruit, big or small, without them falling official. Don't settle for boring fruit holders. Get the fruit plate with wood holder and make your life more fun. Are you tired of having to constantly clean up your workspace? Do you struggle to remove pet hair from your car seats? Look no further than the mini desktop vacuum cleaner. This product is not only rechargeable, allowing you to use it at home, in the office, or even outdoors, but it also boasts a sleek and fashionable appearance. With strong suction power, the mini desktop vacuum cleaner easily picks up dust, shredded paper, and even pesky pet hair. And the best part, it operates quietly, so you won't disturb anyone around you. Its vehicle-mounted design and upwind direction ensure that dust accumulation and collection are smooth and efficient. Don't let a messy workspace stress you out any longer. Are you tired of using old, outdated toilet brushes? Do you want a more efficient and practical way to clean your toilet? Introducing the Silicone Toilet Brush Wall-Mounted Cleaning Tools. This innovative toilet brush comes with a built-in cleaner dispenser, making it easy to keep your toilet sparkling clean. The silicone bristles provide superior cleaning performance, easily removing even the toughest stains. And with its wall-mounted design, this toilet brush is both space-saving and convenient. No more bending down to reach your toilet brush. Upgrade your bathroom cleaning routine with the Silicone Toilet Brush Wall-Mounted Cleaning Tools. There's nothing quite like spending time in the great outdoors, but no outdoor adventure is complete without a delicious meal cooked over an open fire. That's where the rolling barbecue basket comes in. The rolling barbecue basket is the perfect accessory for all your outdoor cooking needs. One of its standout features is its round edge design. With no sharp edges, you can be sure that it won't hurt your hand while handling it. And when it comes to cooking, the rolling barbecue basket gives you the freedom to cook multiple kinds of food at once. It requires no assembly and fits right on or in the bowl of your fire pit. And when the fun is done, cleaning up couldn't be easier. So why not add it to your outdoor cooking arsenal and make your next camping trip or backyard barbecue even more memorable? Introducing the Multifunctional Cleaning Brush Scrubber Wiper, the ultimate cleaning solution. Cleaning up can be a daunting task, especially when faced with tough stains and hard-to-reach areas. But with the Cleaning Brush Scrubber, cleaning has never been easier. This multifunctional cleaning tool is made of a durable blend of PP, ABS, TPR, and nanomaterials. It includes 2 nylon brushes, 1 sponge, and 1 wiper, designed to conquer all kinds of messes. With its ability to tackle kitchen shelves, window tracks, tiles, and more, it's the ideal cleaning solution. Get your hands on the Multifunctional Cleaning Brush Scrubber Wiper and make cleaning a breeze. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.